Hello and welcome to the next screencast about the Digitans.me online platform. This time I will show you how you can add and change a unit. To add a new unit you must be power user of the platform, and to change it you must be defined as a trainer for this unit. The rights are permitted by the admins of the platform, and for this video I will not go into detail for the different rights. I will just assume that you have all rights that you need. So the goal of this video is to create a unit as you can see it on the screen. Therefore we have to click on new unit and here enter the first information. The first field is the name of the new unit. The next field is the URL identifier of the unit, which is later used to create a unique and readable URL for your unit. The next point is we have to select template. In our case it is the Digitrans template text service. And last but not least, we have to choose the phase or subphase in which this unit should be put. I will choose here inside. Then we click on create, and now we have the empty unit. So now we have to create the unit, and now we have to change it to fill it with information. This changing is the same for existing units. To change it, we have to use the 4 buttons here on the top. The first button is active now and just shows you the unit as it is now. The button with the wrench symbol let you configure the implementation of the server itself. Here you can delete it, but the other settings I will just recommend you to just adapt if you are familiar with the implementation of this site. The next button is this one with the person, where you can add and remove trainers for this unit. Here you can type the username of the user account you want to add. Here you can select the trainer role, and here you can select the language which the trainer should be able to change. So now we come to the most important button, this pen. If we click on it, it opens the form where we can insert all the information we want to have shown on the unit. In this form you have different fields where you can insert your information. You have just the simple text fields where just simple text is written. You have some advanced text fields where you can write text and change the appearance of the text in the means of standard modifications like bold, underlined. You can add a table, you can add an image, or if you're familiar with HTML, you also can change the HTML code itself. Another important field I want to highlight is this picture, where you can here upload a picture which is then shown on the website. I will show you in another screencast how you can use this file upload to use your files like pictures or PDFs on the unit page or on the other pages of this Digitans.me online platform. So now I will just go and add some information. So now I have entered the information, and now we have here to click submit so that everything is saved. Now we can click on the eye symbol and see the information we just put in the unit. The next point which we have to adapt is these arrows on the bottom. They are used to click to the unit before and the unit after, but now we have to say which ones are the units after and before. So therefore we click on administration, then on unit order. Here we search our new test unit on the bottom and put it up where we want to have it. So I will just hit between competence analysis and desk research. Here's important that you click on save order. Now when it's saved, we can go back to the innovation phase. Here on the inside, here we now have our test unit, and we can click this test unit, and here we are again. So this was the content of this video. To summarize it shortly, we first added a new unit by giving its name and choosing its template, and afterwards we adapted the new created but empty unit with information by using the change unit functionality of the platform, which is available for every unit if you have the rights to it. Thank you and goodbye.